This is example 23 on page 341. Alright, multiply these three polynomials. Again, your choice, you can distribute across. Take all the terms here, each term inside the first parenthesis, multiply to each term here, okay, to the second parenthesis. When you get the result, take each term of the result you got, multiply to the third parenthesis. Every term inside third parenthesis. So your choice, you can do that, or you can find a way that if you can apply these three formulas when you multiply out the polynomial. So the important thing is try to recognize the pattern. Okay. We have s minus 5t times f plus 5t. Did it ring the bell? It looked like this form, right? A minus b times a plus b. And the answer, the equivalent answer is a squared minus b squared. That's all you have to do. You don't have to distribute across. Okay, if you have this pattern. So I will, let's see, I will combine these, okay, first two binomials and write this as the equivalent form, a squared minus b squared. So s squared minus 5t squared. Okay? So these two binomial, using this formula, you get this, okay? S squared minus 5t b squared, okay? Don't forget this term right here. S squared minus 25t squared. Okay? S squared minus 25t squared. Now, alright. Now we have s squared minus 20, s squared minus, okay, we need to simplify this k. So we have, let's see, s squared minus 25, right? 5 squared, 25. T squared is t squared. S squared minus 25 t squared. Okay. Now we have s squared minus 25 t squared. And we also have s squared minus 25 t squared. So they are exactly the same, okay? That means you can multiply them together. What I mean is that they're square, okay? If you multiply s squared minus 25t squared, you get a square here. So s squared minus 25t squared. You don't see that, that's okay? Think about x times x, okay? Same thing here, treat the whole thing here like x. Treat the whole thing here like x. X times x is what? X, 1 plus 1, right? You take the exponents here, plus the exponent here, you have x squared. Okay? Same thing here. Exactly the same, s squared minus 25t squared. Exactly the same, s squared minus 25t squared. You can treat the whole thing as x. The whole thing is x. X times x is x squared. That's why we have x right here, the inside squared. Okay? Alright, we're almost there. Now, your choice again. You can multiply out or look for the pattern. Which one is that you're going to use? This one, right? Because it's the subtraction and the square outside. So I'll be using this formula. I'll have a squared, which is s squared squared. And then minus, okay? So minus twice a, which is s squared. Okay. A is s squared, and b is 25t squared. So minus twice ab plus b squared, which is 25t squared squared. Okay. Simplify further, we have s. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 25 is 50, but don't forget to subtract. So 50 s squared times t squared plus 25 squared. So you multiply that out. 25 times 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2. 5 times 2, 10, plus 2 is 12. 2 times 25 is 50. Simplify, we get 5, 2, 6. 625. So 625 come from 25 square. T square right here. Square again, you have T. 2 times 2 is 4. And I looked around to see if you can simplify any further. Look like this is it. So this is how you saw example 23 on page 341. We're using this formula, okay, to get this, and then combine. We use this formula to get this, and then simplify.